This question is from GATE 2020 XE Solid Mechanics. According to Euler-Bernoulli beam theory, which one of the following statements best describes the state of a beam subjected to pure bending? Those are the four options given, and when you look at the options, we have to make a call on what will be the values of transverse shear stress and transverse shear strain for an Euler-Bernoulli beam subjected to pure bending. Let's move on to the solution. From all the existing assumptions according to Euler-Bernoulli beam theory, there is one assumption stating that the cross-section remains normal to the deformed axis of the beam. So to understand this more clearly, let us consider a cantilever beam which is initially in this way with its neutral axis along the longitudinal axis of the beam, only on the last cross-section of the beam which is shown here. So initially this last cross section will be always perpendicular to the neutral axis. Now let us subject this beam to a pure bending which is shown here. So as a consequence of this application of pure bending, this beam bends in this way. So this becomes the neutral axis, and according to this assumption, it is clear that the cross section remains normal, means that the cross section remains perpendicular to the deformed axis of the beam. So as an application of bending moment, the neutral axis, which is initially straight, results in this deformed shape. So according to the assumption, even after deformation, the cross section remains perpendicular. Therefore, there is no chance for both transverse shear stress and transverse shear strain because cross section rotations are arrested. Therefore, both the transverse shear stress and transverse shear strain are zero. Therefore, the correct answer to this question will be option A.